Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what you can do if WhatsApp is not sending the verification code on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app, tap on Wi-Fi and turn off the toggle next to Wi-Fi. Return to previous page and tap on Cellular. Then, enable the toggle next to Cellular Data. Now, tap the Cellular Data options and then enable the toggle next to Data Roaming in the following menu. Reopen WhatsApp after this and then request the verification code again and see if it arrives. If WhatsApp still won't send verification code, open the Settings app again and then scroll down to Locate Messages and then tap on it. After that, turn off the toggle next to iMessage. Then, scroll down to the message filtering section and select Unknown and Spam. Then, disable the toggle next to Filter Unknown Senders. Open WhatsApp one more time and check if you receive the verification code. If the issue remains, use the link in the description to download a free VPN app on your iPhone. Once downloaded, open the app and tap the Connect button. Then, select Allow and enter your lock screen passcode. Once you see the VPN icon in the control center, return to WhatsApp and request a verification code again. If nothing else works, it's likely that your iPhone isn't receiving the WhatsApp verification code due to issues with your Messages app or some other problem. In that case, you can try inserting your SIM card into another Android or iPhone. After doing so, request the verification code on your iPhone one more time. Enter the verification code received in the other phone and you should be able to access WhatsApp again. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. And make sure to subscribe to Glitch Guru for more such tips.